Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel, where we dive into the latest safety results from IIHS crash tests. Today, we're breaking down the IIHS crash test results for the 2025 Kia Sorento. Let's take a look at its performance and find out why it just missed out on the Top Safety Pick Plus rating. The 2025 Sorento retained its Top Safety Pick status but missed out on the Plus rating due to a marginal rating in the updated moderate overlap front test. Although Kia made improvements to the rear seat belts in July 2024 to protect rear occupants, the Sorento only earned a marginal rating in this area. Injury data showed an increased risk of head or neck injuries for rear occupants, with the lap belt shifting from the pelvis to the abdomen, a factor that increases the chance of internal injuries in a crash. The Sorento performed well overall, with acceptable or good ratings in key tests. However, to achieve the Top Safety Pick Plus, a good or acceptable rating in the updated moderate overlap front test is required.